Good afternoon, students. How are you today, all? Yes, I hope you all are safe and healthy by our God's grace. Dear students, in our last class, we have completed exercise 4.1. Okay, today we are going to see a new topic. Okay, in your you need to write this in your class, not in classwork. It is a geometry. Okay, so here construction of perpendicular lines. Okay, so let's see how will you draw a perpendicular line. Okay, so see this, the perpendicular lines in this in your book. Okay, so this is a perpendicular line. Okay, so here we need to find the height of the uh, given given things. See here we use here set square. Okay, so here what is the set square? So in your geometry box you can see this two items. Okay, so this one and this one. Okay, so here this is an set squares. Here in a okay, I have this. Okay, in this set square has 90 degree. Okay, one side, one corner has 90 degree. Okay, and the remaining two corners, okay, one side have 60 degree and then the next side have 60 degree. Okay, this side have 60 degree. Okay, this angle is 30 degree. Okay, if you add the three angles you will get 180 degree. Okay, so one side corner get 90 degree, so 30 degree, here 60 degree, totally 180 degree. Okay, so see the next one set square is, okay, three angles, three sides are two angles are 45 degree, so one corner has 90 degree. Okay, so see the corner, okay, they are marking the angle. Okay, they are marking 90 degree. Okay, the remaining two sides has 45 degree. Okay, so here we are going to use these items and how to draw the perpendicular, perpendicular line. Okay, let's see this. Okay, see with an example, construct a line perpendicular to the given line at the point on the line. Okay, so here first we take draw a line AB and take a point P anywhere on the line. Okay, so like this, first you need to draw a line. Okay, so keep the point, okay, anywhere on the line, okay, P. So next place the set square on the line in such a way that the vertex which forms right angled coincide with P and one arm of the right angle coincide with the line AB. Okay, so here you take the set square. Okay, so keep the set square like that. Okay, so keep that in the point of P. Okay, so hereafter you mark the point. Okay, so draw a line PQ through P along the other arm of the right angle of the set square. Okay, so here they draw the line. Okay, so this is called a perpendicular line. So the line PQ is perpendicular to the line of AB at P. Okay, that is PQ. Okay, this symbol we need to read perpendicular. Okay, PQ perpendicular to AB. Okay, and the angle of APQ, okay, equal to angle of BPQ. Okay, so this angle, okay, so this angle make 90 degree. Okay, this is an perpendicular line. Okay, can you understand this? Yes, go to the next one. Okay, see then exercise number 4.2. Draw a line segment AB equal to 7 cm and mark a point P on it. Draw a line perpendicular to the given line segment at P. Okay, so this one also the same method from the example. Okay, see this here they given the measurement AB equal to 7 cm. Okay, so take your scale and measure 7 cm. Okay, from your scale. See this. Take 7 centimeter, AB equal to 7 centimeter, I am already marked. So we give the name of these corners AB and take a point P, okay, at the center. Okay, so next I am taking the set square. Okay, see this, I am taking the set square and I keep that in the point, okay, point of P. Okay, afterwards I take the pencil and draw a straight line. Okay, so I give the name of this straight line is Q. Okay, so PQ is the perpendicular line for the given line AB. Okay, so afterwards I give the steps. Okay, the line PQ is perpendicular to the line AB at P. So therefore PQ is perpendicular to AB. Okay, can you understand this perpendicular line? Yes. Next one, you see this, the second question, draw a line segment LM equal to 6.5 centimeter and take a point P not lying on it. Using a set square, construct a line perpendicular to LM through P. Okay, so here, so we take LM. Okay, LM, the length is given 6.5 centimeter. Okay, so here they are asking take a point P not lying on it. Okay, so we take the point Q on the line. Okay, so next here you take the set square. Okay, so set square, keep that the point of Q. Okay, so next you need to draw a line. Okay, so from here you draw a line. Okay, so this point we take P. Okay, so PQ, here PQ is the perpendicular line for LM. Okay, the line PQ is perpendicular to the line segment LM. Okay, can you understand this question also? Yes. Okay, dear students, your today class is over. You need to draw the sums in your geometry note. If you have a geometry note, you continue from this. Okay, so thank you children, have a nice day, see you, bye bye. Otherwise some of the children are not have a geometry note. If you you can write in the classwork. Okay, thank you children, have a nice day, see you.